As an operations manager, it's important to keep your process applications running at peak performance around the clock. Power interruptions and failures can be detrimental to critical plant equipment or processes, resulting in increased downtime, plant shutdowns, production loss, and risk of safety and environmental incidents. This affects the complex reactions of multiple components, leading to a higher potential of errors and waste during the manufacturing process. With no formal strategy in place, this results in a lack of proactive maintenance. With the ability to monitor and track system diagnostics, preventative maintenance plans can reduce downtime and increase equipment availability and reliability. Integrating communication modules and power supplies by Emerson into plant equipment or processes allows operators and service technicians to monitor the system, track trends, and respond quickly to alarms. A SolaHD communication module, or SCM, provides a connection to one or two SolaHD SDN-D series power supplies, enabling them to communicate on the network to the control system. This enables operators and service technicians to monitor critical power parameters and key alarms, look for unbalanced loads and abnormal conditions, and improve overall equipment effectiveness, or OEE. The communication modules are available with Ethernet IP or wired HART protocol options. HART, or Highway Addressable Remote Transducer, is a communication protocol designed for industrial process measurement and control applications. Ethernet IP is a best-in-class Ethernet communication network that uses standard Ethernet technology, IEEE 802.3, combined with the TCP IP suite in industrial automation applications. Operations managers should not have to worry around the clock about unscheduled downtime, plant shutdowns, production loss, and risk of safety and environmental incidents. Utilizing the SolaHD communication module with SolaHD SDN-D series power supplies ensures that variables can be monitored by the control system. This makes them ideal for use in chemical, material handling, automotive, food and beverage, pharmaceutical, and oil and gas industries. The SolaHD communication modules and SDN-D series power supplies by Emerson provide access to critical diagnostic data, alarms, and events.